Okay, so here's the 4-inch fan that I received from you. It's the VIVOSUN 4-inch line. The airflow goes that way. It's brand new, just out of the box. Nothing's the matter. Now, when I plug it in, okay, so I'm going to plug it in. Right here's the plug-in. Go right to the plug-in. Now, go to the control switch. Now what my issue is it doesn't, when I turn it on, it turns on and it just stays at low, even though I turn it all the way to high. There's no difference. So watch this. So there's low, and when I turn it up all the way, get that wire out of there. It doesn't, it's the same as it was on low. It doesn't go up or down. There's no up or down.
Pretty cool feature this thing got. It'll slow itself down as my tent is zipped up, even though it's still doing its thing. Now I can open this up just a little bit. You hear how it just goes. So it's like 1 o'clock in the morning. So for it to do that, I mean, that's not even in the description, but that is awesome. I like that. I like that a lot. All right, peace.
I have the fan hooked up to this Elegoo 3D printer. Just ran right down there on the ground. It's turned all the way up as far as it'll go, and it's not even enough airflow to push the vents open on the outside, which are really loose. And you can see here, not only does it not suck in, this light piece of paper, nothing, there's no suction whatsoever. I can actually feel air from the outside blowing back in, and I have it going the right direction. So pulling from there, out through there, in through there, that thing is trash.
Sun.